These are my older birds I just brought home. That's my bedrock. My older Leghorn rooster, which got his long tail feathers ripped up by a fox. And those are just some hybrids. Over here, my bantam's kind of ran away from me. Don't know where she went. Oh, there she is. Walking in my garden. Some of all them. You tore up the ground. No. Don't do that. Don't know the rest are. But around here somewhere. Of course, that's my new rooster I got. That's where one of my bantams ran away in. Hiding in there for the night. But, I don't know. My mom said she was probably just trying to lay an egg. But, I have no clue. Get out. Go. Oh, and that's my dark Cornish in there. She has a hurt leg. But, she can't mate or anything. That's what my older rooster, well, my younger rooster I just got it's doing. Just can't take it. And my other two bantams. No. There's my other two bantams. Don't know if you can see them that well, but don't go to the road, please. These ones hate when I come near them. They just run away and hide. Come here. Oh, you stupid bird. Just come here. Please. Oh, whatever. But I wonder if she laid an egg under the duck she went under. Just ran right under over here. Ran under here, and I don't know where she went under here, so she might have laid an egg under here, but I'm not too sure. I don't really want to walk in there with sputters, but I guess I could try. Oh, frick. Oh. I just fell into a hole. That's kind of creepy. Spray that. Hope nothing lives in there. That's kind of gross. It's gonna suck if something runs out at me. Dirt is hard. Sorry for taking so long on that, but I'll get back to. Ow, I just hurt my foot. Some feathers here. Oh, frick, I thought that was something. No clue where she went. But I'm getting out of here. It's kind of creepy under here. And can't really see that one under there, so I don't even know if there's an egg under there. I just hope not, so don't keep going back there. But yeah, that's the end of the video for today, I guess. But I just want to show you the bantams, but if I can get close to them. Might not. Come here.